Good morning, good afternoon, children. Today we'll learn about parts of MS Word window. Parts of MS Word window. We'll learn about the parts of MS Word window. See, beta, the parts of MS Word window are the parts of MS Word window are. We'll learn one by one. See, beta. Number one, quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Second, horizontal ruler. Horizontal ruler. Third, vertical ruler. Fourth, title bar. Fifth, help button. Sixth, control button. 7, ribbon. 8, vertical scroll bar. 9, document window. 10, horizontal scroll bar. Scroll bar. 11, status bar. See, children, these are the various parts of MS Word window. In yesterday's video, we have learned about MS Word. So today we will learn about the various parts of MS Word window. The various parts of MS Word window are: number 1, quick access toolbar, horizontal ruler, vertical ruler, title bar, help button, control button, ribbon, vertical scroll bar, documents window, horizontal scroll bar, status bar. These are the various parts of MS window through which we access on MS Word. By the help of these parts, we work on MS Word, and these parts help us to access our Word very easily. So now we will learn one by one about these various parts of this Microsoft software. So the first one we'll study is title bar. Today we'll study about title bar. The title bar is located at the top of the document window. Beta, see, this is your document window, and the title bar is situated on the top part of the document window. It displays the name of the document you are working on. It displays the name of the document you are working on. By default, it shows document one word to the right of the title bar. There are three control buttons. They are maximize, minimize and close. Beta, there are three control buttons. They are maximize, minimize and close. Maximize is used to make the window screen appear bigger. Maximize is used to make the window screen appear bigger, and the minimize is used to reduce the size of the window. Close is used to close the document window. So these are the three buttons that are attached to title bar. So this is how maximize, minimize and close buttons works. Is that clear? So beta, for today only this much. Tomorrow we will discuss the next point like quick access toolbar, ribbon, etc. Till then, for today, you be satisfied with title bar, study it, and if you have any doubt, please write it down in the comment box. I will clarify your answers. Till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.